Now let's take a look at the snow that has fallen already. Meteorologist Lisa Meadows is in Roseville. Looks like a winter wonderland there, Lisa.
It really does, Chris. I might have to take you on with a snowball fight later today because this is great. This is some great packing snow. Of course, it's definitely that wet snow, which is heavy, which you do want to keep in mind. But within the last hour, I really noticed that the flakes almost doubled in size, so they got quite a bit thicker. Yes, it does absolutely look for an absolutely beautiful landscape out here in the park where things really aren't disturbed. You can see all these trees. They've been gathering a lot of the snow, about an inch, I would say, 1.5 inches probably on the tree branches, and then when it comes to the ground level, we've definitely added at least another inch or so compared to what we've seen just within the last hour. And I do think a lot of it has to do with the fact that we do have this fluffy stuff and again the good packing snow. So when it comes to snow totals across the area, New Prague still coming in at first with 7 inches, but we did bump up Faribault. Faribault now back to 6 inches, 5 for Apple Valley. Edina coming in at 5. Measurement for St. Paul just came in. That's coming in at 4 inches, and then Rosemount coming in at 3. But it definitely looks like we have no end in sight, at least here, because we are still seeing a lot of these flakes, some of these big flakes falling.
All right, Lisa, thank you. As Chris